I'll just only do like a quick tour and only go inside, but I won't like start the car or something. Okay. So first, we're gonna be starting off with my 2014 Hyundai Santa Fe. I've owned this thing for 8 years now. It's got 300,000 kilometers on it. It's got an automatic transmission. Bunch of essential stuff. I would check the mileage, but don't worry, the range is just 330. I mean, the amount of kilometers this car has driven is around 330,000 kilometers, which is a lot, but we've driven this daily. Steering wheel hot though. Yeah, there's not really a lot of stuff though. I would check under the hood, but no, I'll just tell you the engine. This has a 3.3 liter V6, making 290 horsepower. Sorry. It runs on a 6-speed automatic. I normally just have 4-wheel drive, but since the old 4-wheel drive system broke, we swapped it for a front-wheel drive system. So now this is front-wheel drive. Okay, let's check the back. Nothing really special. Trunk. So there's the trunk with some contents in it. Okay. Yeah, whenever you lock the car, mirror still. What's up? Good. Now we're gonna be checking out my 2005 Ford Mustang. I've owned this thing since, hold on, we've owned it for 8 months now. Still runs and drives great. So this is my Mustang. I'll tell you the specs of this. It has a 4-liter V6, 210 horsepower. It's less than my Santa Fe, but still. Alright. It uses a 5-speed automatic transmission. Normally my Santa Fe would have a handbrake, but instead it uses a foot brake, which is actually next to these things. But this uses a handbrake. I don't know, I decided to show that contents. Maybe that might contain some stuff that I cannot even show. This would have an old infotainment system, but it uses a custom one. This is supposed to be some sort of plug thing, but it doesn't work. I guess it uses blown hazards, indicators. It looks a little bit like a column shifter, but it's not really a column shifter. And there's bird poop on my windshield. This is the AC. Okay. Normally Ford cars would use a Ford badge here, but instead it uses a horse badge with red, white, and blue. Alright, check the back. Put the phone down. Then the back. I should close crash into it. Back seats. Seat belts. There would be a middle seat here, but there isn't. So that means this car is only meant for 2 people. And if you're carrying kids, they would sit here. I almost forgot the keys in the cup holder. I would use the key to lock it, but there. Right, good. I guess that's enough for the tour. So let's just go back inside. In fact, I almost forgot something. So, the AC of my Mustang, it's completely different compared to my Santa Fe, which has these things, and it uses that type of design. In fact, I'll show you. So it uses this AC design instead of like a circle. It uses this, and normally you would just like turn it, but in this you can just do that. Okay. Alright. It's a good thing I locked these cars, because if I didn't lock them, something bad would happen. I would double check, but I have no time for that. I forgot that's locked. To be honest, it's actually really hot with the cars.